Welcome to our YouTube channel, All America Selections, Flowers and Vegetables. Today's tomato profile is on the Fantastico tomato. It's a 2014 All America Selections winner. It's a determinate variety tomato, which means it gets to a set height, flowers, and sets fruit all at once. And I counted, there's about 35 mature tomatoes on there right now, about 60 to 75 tomatoes altogether. This was planted in the beginning of May, and it's ready already in about 50 days. Now this tomato will only get, again, 3 feet tall, 3.5 feet tall. It's perfect for hanging baskets, containers, and if your season's long enough, like in Maryland Zone 7 where I'm at, you can plant them in the spring, get a nice harvest mid-July, plant them again, and you can harvest again in September. Just take a look at the beautiful grape tomatoes in there. They come in nice big clusters. I'm going to pick these and eat them today. Let me just take one off. A nice massive cluster full of the grape type tomatoes. Nice thin skin, wonderful sweet flavor, great texture. It's a perfect tomato for small spaces, and it's a great tomato to start in the spring. To have a nice compact tomato ready in about 50 days. You're going to be able to pull off 75 to 100 tomatoes from this plant, and then again drop some seeds, start some transplants maybe 2 weeks before these are going to mature, and you have tomatoes again later August and in September. All America Selections is a non-profit organization. We do one thing every year, and we've been doing this for 85 years. We hold seed trials to find the best new plants out there, and only the best are deemed All America Selections winners. And remember, when you buy an All America Selections winner, the proof is in the plant. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. We'll have more tomato profile videos and other profiles on different vegetables. And we don't run ads on our channel, so if you want gardening advice, tips, and tricks, please subscribe, and you can just watch videos without having to sit through ads. Thanks for watching.